On today's menu, a delicious recipe that's truly yummy. Delicious tom yum soup. Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung from YoungManCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. Wintertime definitely calls for staying home and making some hot, delicious, and comforting soup. Let's begin. Remove the outer layers on 2 sticks of lemongrass. Bash the lemongrass with the handle of the knife. Cut the lemongrass in half and set aside. Man, lemongrass smells absolutely amazing. Should be put in a perfume bottle or something. Slice a green bell pepper into bite-sized pieces. Slice a red bell pepper into bite-sized pieces. Slice a red onion into bite-sized pieces. So this episode is a bit of a companion video for the tom yum soup recipe that's in the Cook with Confidence cookbook. Now in this recipe it actually says to use 1 tomato, but we're just going to use some heirloom cherry tomatoes because, you know, it's a little bit more bougie. Slice in half about 1 cup of grape tomatoes. This here is a bit of a specialty ingredient, but you should be able to find it at your Asian supermarkets. It's usually kept in the fresh produce refrigerated area. This is galangal. It's incredibly aromatic, really quite amazing. Roughly chop a medium piece of galangal. One red Thai chili, roughly chopped. Tear about 6 leaves of kaffir lime leaves. We're just starting to cook now, but it already smells so aromatic. Large stock pot. 2 tablespoons coconut oil. 1/4 cup red Thai curry paste. Medium heat. Saute the paste for 4 to 5 minutes. Half cup coconut milk. Give the pot a good stir. Three liters water. Lemongrass. Galangal, lime leaves, and chili pepper. Stir. Cover the pot and bring to a boil. When it comes to a boil, simmer on medium-low for 10 to 15 minutes. After simmering the soup, you can decide to leave in the solid ingredients or to take them out. It's completely up to you. red and green bell peppers, red onions, grape tomatoes, .400 ml canned baby corn, about 150 grams shimeji mushrooms, 5 tablespoons soy sauce. So the cookbook says to use 2 tablespoons of cane sugar, but I've had this maple butter sitting around for a very long time, so I'm just gonna swap it out and use this instead. Definitely, it's casual. Swap out ingredients, it's all good. 2 tablespoons maple butter, 2 tablespoons tamarind paste, juice of 2 limes, turn the heat to medium-high and give it a stir. When the soup comes to a boil, it's ready to serve. Plate. Sprinkle with green onions and freshly chopped cilantro. You can now enjoy this deliciously heartwarming soup with absolute confidence. Man, that smells and looks absolutely amazing. That is so just bursting with flavor. I mean, this dish is visually just stunning because it has incredible, beautiful colors all combined together. It really just makes this bowl sing out. And every bite, you get basically all the flavors you could really imagine all put into one bowl. You get the salty, the spicy, the umami, the tanginess and the sweetness. And the coconut milk adds this kind of full body texture to the soup. The tamarind paste adds a little bit of sweetness and that tanginess. The lime juice adds a little bit of that sour flavor and is complemented with the kind of acidic sweetness from the tomatoes. You get the delicious earthy flavor and the umami from the shimeji mushrooms that just further flavors that soup. The maple butter adds that kind of caramel flavor and that delicious sweetness that balances out that little bit of spiciness. Those fresh herbs really elevate the soup, and because we sauteed that curry paste opposed to just adding it and dissolving it into the liquid, you get this beautiful, unmistakable separation in that oil that just adds a whole new depth of texture and flavor to this delicious soup. It really is incredible how easy it is to make this. Like I always say, it's dishes like this that makes it incredibly exciting to cook at home. Absolutely love it. If you love easy and delicious recipes like me, then definitely check out the Vegan Ramen Cookbook or the Cook with Confidence Cookbook to take a sneak peek inside the books or to watch the entire first class of our sushi making masterclass. Definitely check out the link in the description box below. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next episode.